Why do dogs react to these weird sounds? You won't believe number 7. Ever wonder why your dog freaks out at the sound of the vacuum cleaner, but seems unfazed by loud music? Dogs have super sensitive hearing, and some sounds just hit them differently. Get ready to discover the surprising reasons behind your dog's quirky reactions to everyday noises. And stick around for number 7. It's a real head-scratcher. Dogs react to a variety of sounds that we might not even notice, or that we perceive differently. Let's explore some common culprits and the typical reactions they elicit in our furry friends. Understanding these reactions is the first step to helping your dog cope. 1. The dreaded vacuum cleaner. Many dogs bark incessantly, chase the vacuum, or try to hide under furniture when it's turned on. This is a very common reaction, and it can be quite distressing for both the dog and the owner. The loud, high-pitched whine and the unpredictable movements of the vacuum can be overwhelming. It's not just the noise, it's the whole experience that triggers anxiety in many dogs. 2. Fireworks and thunderstorms are notorious for causing anxiety in dogs. The loud booms and flashes of light can be incredibly frightening. Dogs may tremble, pant excessively, whine, and seek constant reassurance from their owners. Some dogs even try to escape or hide in small, enclosed spaces. 3. The piercing shriek of a smoke detector is designed to grab our attention, but it can be particularly alarming for dogs. Even a low battery chirp can set them on edge. Dogs might whine, pace restlessly, or bark at the smoke detector. The high-pitched frequency is often the main culprit, causing discomfort and anxiety. 4. Dogs can hear frequencies far beyond the range of human hearing. This means they can pick up on high-pitched noises that we don't even register. A dog might tilt its head, twitch its ears, or start barking seemingly at nothing. These high-frequency sounds can be irritating or even painful for them. 5. A baby's cry often elicits a strong reaction in dogs, even if they haven't been around babies before. This reaction is often rooted in instinct. Dogs may show concern, whine softly, or exhibit protective behaviors towards the baby. This is often a sign of empathy and a desire to help. 6. Squeaky toys are a classic dog favorite, but why? The high-pitched squeak triggers their hunting instincts. The sound mimics the distress call of small prey, exciting the dog and encouraging them to hunt the toy. This is why they often shake and kill squeaky toys. 7. You might not think of keys as a particularly weird sound, but the high-pitched jingle can be surprisingly stimulating for dogs. It's often associated with exciting events. The sound of keys often signals that someone is leaving or coming home, or that it's time for a walk. This anticipation can lead to excitement, barking, and tail wagging. Why are dogs so sensitive to these sounds? It's a combination of their superior hearing, learned associations, and evolutionary instincts. Let's delve deeper into the science behind their reactions. Dogs have a much wider hearing range than humans, allowing them to hear sounds at higher frequencies. This is why they can hear dog whistles and other high-pitched noises that are inaudible to us. This expanded range also means they are more sensitive to certain frequencies that can be irritating or even painful. It's like listening to nails on a chalkboard, but constantly. Certain frequencies are particularly irritating to dogs due to the structure of their ears. These frequencies can cause discomfort and anxiety. Think of it like a specific note on a piano that resonates unpleasantly. Dogs are more susceptible to these unpleasant sonic vibrations. Dogs learn to associate certain sounds with specific events or emotions. This is called classical conditioning. For example, if a dog is consistently exposed to fireworks during a stressful event, they may develop a fear of fireworks. This learned association can be very powerful. Some sounds trigger deeply ingrained evolutionary instincts in dogs. These instincts are related to hunting, protection, and survival. The squeak of a toy triggers their hunting instinct, while the sound of thunder might trigger a fear of predators or natural disasters. These instincts are hardwired into their brains. Dogs are highly social animals and are very attuned to the reactions of humans and other animals. they often react to sounds based on how others around them are reacting. If you jump at a loud noise, your dog is likely to react as well, even if they wouldn't have otherwise. They are taking their cues from you. Fortunately, there are several things you can do to help your dog cope with their sound sensitivities. These strategies focus on desensitization, counterconditioning, and creating a safe environment. Desensitization involves gradually exposing your dog to triggering sounds at a low volume. The goal is to help them become accustomed to the sound without experiencing anxiety. Start with a very low volume and gradually increase it over time, while monitoring your dog's reaction. If they show signs of anxiety, reduce the volume and proceed more slowly. Counterconditioning involves associating triggering sounds with positive experiences, such as treats or praise. This helps to change the dog's emotional response to the sound. For example, if your dog is afraid of the vacuum cleaner, give them a treat every time you turn it on, starting at a low setting. This helps them associate the vacuum with something positive. Providing your dog with a safe and comfortable retreat can help them cope with anxiety-inducing sounds. This could be a crate, a bed, or a quiet room. Make sure the safe space is always accessible and that your dog feels secure there. You can also add comforting items like blankets and toys. Pheromone diffusers and calming supplements can help to reduce anxiety in dogs. These products work by mimicking natural calming signals. Always consult with your veterinarian before using any calming aids, as some may not be appropriate for your dog. They can advise you on the best options. While it's not always possible, minimizing your dog's exposure to triggering sounds can help to reduce their anxiety. This might involve avoiding fireworks displays or turning off the TV during thunderstorms. Consider using white noise or a fan to mask triggering sounds. This can help to create a more calming environment for your dog. Understanding why dogs react to certain sounds is crucial for providing them with the best possible care. Their superior hearing, learned associations, and evolutionary instincts all play a role in their reactions. By implementing coping strategies and being mindful of their sensitivities, you can help your dog live a happier and less stressful life. Remember, every dog is different, and what works for one dog may not work for another. Be patient, observant, and willing to experiment to find the best solutions for your furry friend. If your dog's anxiety is severe, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a veterinarian or certified dog trainer. Now that you know more about why dogs react to weird sounds, we want to hear from you. What strange sounds does your dog react to? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more dog-related content. If your dog has severe anxiety, please consult with your veterinarian or a certified dog trainer for personalized advice. Your dog's well-being is our top priority.